This tutorial guides you through configuring the headrail sleeve or fabric insertion rates within your Odidor ERP system. You will learn how to navigate headrail options and update headrail configurations effectively. Go to Dealer Management. Click All Dealer to display the list of all dealers available in the system. Choose the specific dealer for rate configuration. Click Toggle dropdown to reveal additional options related to product rates. Click Edit Product Rate from the dropdown to begin modifying the pricing details for the selected product. Input the rate inside the field. Choose the type of add-on rate you want to charge. Click the dropdown to view all options. Click Update Headrail Config to save the changes made to the headrail configuration. You have successfully configured product rates and updated headrail settings within Odidor ERP. Verify the changes by reviewing the updated pricing details and proceed with further product management tasks as needed.